This video, we are going to talk about the benefits of group demos. So group demos are basically badge formations that you will get after conducting a workshop wherein the students and parents have enrolled with you and now you have your own group to get conducted forward. Now we'll talk about some benefits because it's very important for you also to realize what are the advantages of it, so that in any case you are supposed to discuss the same with the parent, or even if I talk about your own understanding, we can attend some pointers from it and then take it forward. So the first and the foremost thing would be the exposure that I want to talk about, which is a very big factor when I talk about group sessions or group studies or group classes which are happening. So of course, since you know that your batch will have more than one student, either 4-5 students or 6-7 students, whatever number of students are going to be there, it is always going to bring a lot of exposure. There will be variations in terms of the pattern that they use to study, the way they pick up sentences, the way we talk, the ideas that they share, everything is going to be different, right? So it's going to bring in a lot of exposure and healthy environment in the class which is getting conducted. Another thing could be accountability for these students, because you also know that when these students get to interact with each other, there's a little sense of competition amongst them, and then they also want to perform good at whatever they're performing at. So this will bring in some sort of accountability to the students. Apart from that, how can we forget the interaction and engagement which would be happening in the class, right? A lot of students and a lot of discussions and idea exchanges will be happening. There will be interaction between 1-2 students again. There could be some competition, some debate happening. There could be some activity happening in your group demo sessions. So this will bring in altogether a lot more interaction as compared to the one-on-one class or individual classes that we know about. Also, apart from this, there's going to be variation in terms of how a student looks at learning English or learning communication skills. What is the way that they are gaining up the pace? How are they performing in the classes? Because you're connected with the same students throughout the batch, right? So you will be attending not just one but a lot of classes with them, and you would get a chance to compare, learn, unlearn, relearn, and all these things together. So these are few benefits about a group demo. Do not forget to mention about the same teachers to the parents that you're speaking with. All the very best and have a great day ahead.